Early OnePlus 15 camera details leak. So, as mentioned on our last video, OnePlus plans to skip the OnePlus 14 series because the number 14 is an unlucky number in Asian markets. So, on to the OnePlus 15. OnePlus is reportedly developing the OnePlus 15 successor to the highly regarded OnePlus 13. Early leaks suggest a triple 50 megapixel rear camera setup is being tested. The company is still evaluating the main and periscope camera sensors. According to Tipster Digital Chat Station, OnePlus is testing various sensor options. One version of the OnePlus 15 could feature a regular large main camera sensor, while another might have an extra large sensor. For the periscope camera, OnePlus is reportedly testing both small and medium-sized sensors. Now, the OnePlus 13 was praised for its photography and videography, featured similar 50 megapixel rear camera setup. OnePlus 13 was recognized as one of the better Android phones of 2025 by us here at eSIM Studios. The OnePlus 13's zoom capabilities and smart camera modes has it on par with and surpassing the very best Samsung flagship phones. The anticipation is for the OnePlus 15 to build upon this foundation and take over that spot from Samsung. Now let's move on to iPhone. So according to new leak, iPhone Fold will not look anything like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 at all. Apple should launch its first foldable phone in 2026 or 2027, but we are starting to hear details of Apple's first foldable. According to the leaker Digital Chat Station on Weibo, the screen size of Apple's foldable phone prototype is a little smaller than the previous leaked model. The leaker has also published screen formats, aspect ratios, saying that the inner display has an aspect ratio, get this, of 14.1 by 10, an outer screen of 5.49 inches. That comes out to 2088 by 1422. In a foldable inside display, 7.76 inches at 2713 by 1920. That the foldable device could have a fairly short and stubby form factor compared to the Z Fold 6 and upcoming Z Fold 7. It'll have almost a square design, something similar to the OG Oppo Find In or the OG Pixel Fold. Digital Chat Station also stated that the iPhone Fold includes a selfie camera under the display in the inside foldable display and a hole punch for the outer display. Users should not expect Apple's iconic Face ID because Apple is adopting a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. We're still waiting for information on camera specs, megapixels, sensors, and things of that sort, battery information, charging information, but stay tuned to eSIM Studios. I'm on it for y'all. Now, moving on to Samsung, a rather interesting story. So according to South Korean leaks, Samsung could implement, get this, something called SUSCAN. I'm not lying. SUSCAN stainless steel batteries in the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. This is not the silicon carbon upgrade Samsung fans were hoping to hear for the next generation of Samsung flagships, but it is something, right? This technology developed by Samsung seeks to improve energy density and charging speeds. The quote-unquote SUSCAN batteries are in fact more dense and can hold more ions than the typical lithium-ion battery and are characterized by their encapsulated stainless steel shell. This change could be related to EU regulations on batteries. Back in 2023, the EU approved a regulation that requires all smartphones to have user-replaceable batteries by the year 2027. The SUSCAN batteries would facilitate compliance with this regulation. Although it is not silicon carbon technology that some would expect, it does represent a significant change with respect to the traditional lithium-ion batteries that are currently used in most all smartphones. The report indicates that this technology could significantly increase battery capacity in future models and also improve the overall longevity of the battery life on one single charge. The new battery tech by Samsung is desperately needed at this point, and when it looks like all of the other manufacturers are adopting the newer technology, newer methods to extend battery life, the adoption of silicon carbon batteries would remain more desirable, right? Just for the name itself. Silicon carbon sounds way cooler than sus can. Stay tuned to eSIM Studios. I got a lot more on the way. Peace out.